let me tell you guys something, okay? Marlin is, you hook, you catch like 2 out of the fucking 8 you hook. You know, it's that the ratio is really bad. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of Shut Up and Fish Guam. Hanapa, baby, we're hooked up. We're hooked up to a nice Marlin. We saw the fish come up, take the lure and run. He pretty much spooled our whole 80 Tiagra right here. Luke's getting about, I'd say 30% back so far. We're about 15 minutes into the hookup, so the fish is still mean and green. Let's hope we can get it all the way to the boat. We'll keep you guys posted on the action. Stay tuned. All right, Luke, slow but steady. Go ahead. No, he's good. He's gonna fight this all the way to the boat. He's gotta do it like a man. Tell him.
Do it like a man.
All right, Luke, you know, all our YouTube subscribers are going to be watching this, so come on. This video has to end with the Marlin in the boat, right, guys? Let's go. Luke, don't be doing that two-hand shit on YouTube, Luke. Come on. All right, guys, wish us luck. Make sure you smash that like button. We're going to need the luck on this. The water's pretty choppy. We're going to try taking him down swell right now and see if we can help. All right, now we're about 40 minutes into the fight. Luke and Rachel here, they've been out with me about 3 or 4 times now and they've never caught a Marlin. So, hey, Captain Kim got him on the fish. It's on Luke to get it to the boat now. Alright? Doing great. You're doing great, buddy. Nice and smooth. Woo! Oh man, I'm excited. Come on, let's get nervous and excited all in the same fucking thing. Let's get this to the boat. Come on, guys. Cheer him on. Say, let's go, Luke!
Woo! Let's go, Luke!
Woo!
Fuck you, Brandon.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Come on, my man. You're doing good. Just real. Don't worry. If it tries to run, you let it run, Luke. You don't force it, okay?
Alright.
If it starts to get really tight, you just stop reeling and he's gonna run. Yeah. Alright, Luke, this is your fish. So when it gets close, if you can get to the leader, I'm going to give you this glove. You're going to put it on your hand. Now when I tell you to, you're going to grab the bill of the fish, okay? And Luke, you're going to hold on for your fucking life. You're not going to let go. Okay? That's the plan, okay? Here's the glove. Go ahead and real slowly. Get the glove on your hand now if you need to. Go ahead. Luke, put on this one, I'm sorry. Put on this one. Come on, you gotta get on this quickly. Okay, guys. I'm taking out water. Balance the weight, okay? Okay, I'm gonna try and get us down slow, Luke. Hold on. We gotta go a little faster. Hold on. Watch out, guys. You gotta be able to see. Watch out, Luke.
There's the leader of the line.
Yeah, that's the leader, okay? Just relax, guys. Don't worry. Hey, Luke, just a little. Yeah, try and get us out. Don't roll anymore, Luke. I gotta try and get away from it. Alright, as you can see, the fish is circling us. He's trying to get to the motor. He's trying to get away. We're gonna have to get away from it, okay? We're gonna have to try and get that fish away from the engine. Anyone drove a boat before?
Yeah.
Don't worry. Just relax.
Oh my god, I see it in the water. I saw it for a second. Oh, I did too.
Keep reeling, Luke. Come on, Luke. I need to grab him. Keep reeling. We're gonna get him soon.
Come on, babe. You got this.
Keep reeling, Luke. Keep reeling. Commit to that shit. Let's go.
Let's go! You're almost there.
Let's go, Luke. We're gonna land him now. Reel. Finish this shit, Luke. Come on. I need you here, Luke. One of you boys get on the helm. Right now. Go. Turn left, turn middle.
Turn left.
Go, babe, go! Keep going! You got him. Oh, yeah, you got him.
Hit us up. Shutupandfishguam.com. All right, we're coming in. Get this video. YouTube.com/shutupfishguam. Give me my phone there. Hey, you're welcome. Congratulations.
Thanks, Captain. Oh, yeah.
Check it out. From my brother, Ryan Marlin. Check it out. You know what time it is. That's how you set a hook in a Marlin. Look at that. Both trail hooks. Woo!
Shut up and fish! Woo!
Okay, let me just try to get this one piece.
That's only one side. Damn.
Yep.
What we do here is go back.
You can only tell by the private parts. You see the one down there, the little hole? Look inside, there's a little rod hanging out, then it's a male. All right, it's gonna stick out like a little rod, it's pointed. Yeah, so stick your finger inside the hole and if like a rod pokes you, it's a male. If there's no rod, it's a female. All right, so who's smashing that like button and subscribing because these guys think there's actually a rod in that fish? I don't know. How can you tell if a Marlin's a male or female? Leave a comment below and let us know. I think that there's eggs right here, so this is a female. Yeah, I think that this is I'm assuming that this is some sort of egg. I don't know. That's what I think. But yeah. All right, so we're gonna do the whole other side of the fish. It's pretty much the same thing. You guys don't need to see that, and I need Christina to go and get us some bags to finish packing this fish. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial on how to fillet a Marlin. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay?